Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. Sometimes you may want to move members from one WhatsApp group to another. This can happen if you've created a new group for better management, or if you just want to start fresh, but keep the same members. While WhatsApp doesn't provide a direct transfer all members button, you can use the export chat feature and then add members manually. Here's how you can do it on your mobile device. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. Now go to the group that you want to transfer members from. Next, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on More from the menu. Here, tap on Export Chat to create a file of the group's messages. Now choose WhatsApp as the sharing option. After that, you can create a new group in WhatsApp and start adding the members manually using the exported contacts. This way, you can set up your new group with the same people as the old one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.